Go live now to the Competition Tribunal hearing on Takatso's proposed takeover of 51% of SAA. Our reporter Ntokozo Khumalo standing by for you. Ntokozo, good afternoon. What's happening there?
Good afternoon, Stephen. Well, in the second half of the hearings, we've heard from the South African Cabin Crew Association that has really highlighted that they do not understand the nature of this merger deal between the South African Airways as well as Takatso consortium. And to just give us a little bit more detail, I am now joined by advocates Christopher Shabangu. Thank you so much. You presented now at the tribunal saying that the association does not understand this deal at all. Could you just quickly explain what you mean by that?
Well, simply, good afternoon to your viewers. What we're basically trying to say is that we've always had a problem with the deal. We never understood it from the beginning as to how, even the TPE has come up with this preferred company, which is Takatso. Now today, when some facts have come up which says that Takatso is no longer the one that actually applied or was preferred by the government, because now they have to share two partners that made up the Takatso, which therefore means the company that we're dealing with today at the commission is no longer the one that actually was preferred by the company, which then begs the question: are they going to be able to deal with this company, South African Airways? Do they have the expertise? Because now the expertise, the strategic partners that they applied with are now being asked to divest from this deal. So obviously, in our view, now it raises even more concerns of saying this deal therefore needs to go back. Actually, I would go to the extent of saying that a tender has to now be issued for the real correct strategic partner and then financial partner that can actually run SAA successfully. So as it stands, as we've had from the former DG or from the DG, this deal actually from the beginning had problems. The company that has been chosen was not really the company that has actually bidded for this. And the lawyers from the DPE and from Takatso have actually said they were handpicked. So they were handpicked and actually asked to join up with the other two companies, which is Global and Citrix. So therefore, Citrix and Global are now falling away. So Global Takatso is alone, which therefore obviously means that this tribunal that we're sitting on today is no longer talking about the same company that applied. It's a different company. And that is important to us as SACA, because we're talking about people's jobs, and the strategic equity partner that's supposed to come in at SAA, it's supposed to be a strategic partner that is going to be able to put finances in it and also give strategic support to the airline for it to be able to grow.
Advocate Shabangu, the break is almost over, so I'm going to let you go. Thank you for that. Stephen, of course, that was Advocate Christopher Shabangu with the SA Cabin Crew Association, just explaining why the association say they do not understand this deal and that the nature of the deal has changed, with those partners who are supposed to be technical partners falling off. We are about to proceed once again with the hearing, Stephen, so it's back to you in studio.
Ntokozo Khumalo, thank you very much indeed. From that event underway at the Competition Tribunal.